This video, I'm going to show you how you can update Qwen Chat AI app to the latest version. So if you want to get the latest version or the latest features that comes with this app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it. By updating it, you'll also be able to fix any bugs or any issue related to your app. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, for you to be able to update this app or to get the latest version of this app, you'll need to go ahead and access the app either through Google Play Store or App Store. For my case, I'm on Play Store, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store here and then tap on it to open. Then I'll search for Qwen, and you can see here it is. If I tap on it, you can see we have an update that is available, meaning I've been using an outdated version of this Alibaba Cloud app. To update it, just go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Qwen Chat app and install it on my smartphone. Once the installation is done, now you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Qwen app. So that's how you can get the latest features and the latest version of Qwen AI Chat app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.